Hello everybody, welcome in today's video. In today's video, what we're going to go over is how you can turn $100 using prop firms to consistently make you over 6 figures every single month. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we release content. Share with a few friends that you believe they'll find value in this video. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. All right, cool. So obviously everybody understands, like, being a trader, you aspire to have that good lifestyle. You want to make a bag of money, have that financial freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. But it's very hard when you have a small account and you cannot really, bring in enough money for you to actually just do trading and live the rest of your life. Most of us still, having other jobs that we're doing. You have to work a lot of time in the charts so that you can actually make money to actually sustain your lifestyle. But all that changed when prop firms came in the picture. Now, for those that don't know what prop firms are let me share the screen here with one of the prop firms that I like to use. Right? So I'm going to be explaining how you can do that with the MyForexFunds prop firms. Right? So a prop firm is excuse me. So the long form for prop firms are actually proprietary trading, right? Now, what this means is that institutions have actually, come together, like investors have put together chunks of money. And what they do is that they look for skilled traders to actually fund them to manage their money, right? And for that service, you're going to get a big chunk of the profits that you make, while they keep, a small chunk. Like, for instance, most of the prop firms, the trader takes over 80% of the profits, while the institution keeps at least 20, at most 30, right? So this is a very great way for you to actually leverage your skills and actually make a lot of money in the market. Now, how can you actually use prop firms to actually level up and use your $100 and scale it all the way to be making 6 figures every fucking month? Excuse my language. So the easiest way to do that is, first and foremost, to actually, if you have to first learn a skill. Like, you have to learn a strategy that has been back tested and has proved to be it's working. Now, if you don't have a strategy that's back tested and proven to be working, you can actually check out my strategy that's linked in the description below, and you can actually get that. You can purchase that and you'll be on your way. Right? Now, back to these prop firms, right? If you only have at least $100, right? If you look here, you can actually see that the accounts, they're actually sold. Like, for instance, this $10,000 account, it's actually sold for $84, right? This $10,000 account is sold for $84. So that means you can actually buy this and still have $16 left. So first things first, if you have $100, I'd say you buy this $10,000 account. Now, since you already have a trading strategy that works, passing the challenge shouldn't be a problem. Obviously, because the strategy needs to have risk management in play, how you manage your trades, all that. Since you already have that, it shouldn't be a problem passing all this, right? Passing the challenges, like having the daily drawdown, that's 5%, and overall drawdown of 12%. That shouldn't be a problem. Now, once you've passed this, and you can use any prop firm, guys. It can be FTMO, MyForexFunds, the Funded Trader, any prop firm. I just decided to use this one as an example. And if you're looking for the prop firm that I actually recommend, the link is in the description. Go ahead and purchase an account from that. So back to this. After you actually pass this challenge, right? And actually you've bought the $84, the $10,000 account for $84. Let's say maybe you are going to take the first month to pass phase 1, because you have targets to hit, right? So you can see phase 1, you have to reach 8%, and then phase 2, you have to reach at least 5%. So let's say you take 1 month to pass phase 1, and then you take another month to pass phase 2, right? It's all well and good. But at the third month, you're going to be funded with $10,000 account, with a $10,000 account. Now, let's say you're a consistent and profitable trader that already knows how to work your system, right? And you can easily make at least even 10% a month, which is fairly reasonable for you to actually, make. Now, once you start making $10,000 a month with your $10,000 account, at the payout, obviously you can see, like with my Forex funds, they actually pay about 80%. So let's look here. Profit sharing. Oof. So for the first month, you're paid 75%. And then after that, you're paid 80% bi-weekly. And then on the third month, you start receiving 85%. Cool. So on the first month, obviously, you're going to be paid, if you make 10%, at least $750. Now, with $750, you're going to take that $750 and purchase the $100 account, 100K account that's sold for $499. You see this? It's a $100,000 account. It's sold for $499, right? After purchasing this, you are obviously going to be left with about $250 for you to do whatever you want, to cover your expenses and all that. And then you're going to do the same thing, trading this. Let's say the first month you're going to pass phase 1, second month you're going to pass phase 2, and then the third month you're going to be funded. But mind you, you still have a $10,000 account that you're trading. So that means you'll just be making about $750 every month just to keep up with your lifestyle and live your, the life that you deserve, because you're a skilled trader. So after all that, you're going to get this 100K account for $499. And then after that, you're going to go through the same process, pass phase 1, let's say month first. Second month, you're going to pass the phase 2. And then on the third month, you're going to be funded with $100,000, right? After you're funded with this, same thing. You just look for 10% of it. 10%. After you make 10%, that means you're going to be making $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month. Imagine that, right? $10,000 a month. You're already making 5 figures, and this is your 6-month in. Because the first month, you passed phase 1 for the 10K. Second month, phase 2. Third month, you got funded, and then you bought this account. Fourth month, phase 1. Fifth month, phase 2. Sixth month, you got funded and got your first payout of 10K. Right? On your 6th month, you're already making, well, obviously it will be about $7,500 from this one, because you'll be receiving 75%, right? So it will be about $7,500. So it's technically not, 5 figures, but hey, that's a lot of money. Okay, cool. Now, after you start receiving that amount, you're going to again go through the same process. After making this money, you're going to buy $300,000 account. That's $1,000. But you're not going to buy just one, you're going to buy 2 of them. Because with my Forex funds, you can actually compound until 600,000. So you're going to buy 2 of them, which will actually add up to about 2,000 and, about 2,700 or something, right? And a small change. 2,700 and something, but you have a payout of over 7,000, so you still have about 5,000 left. So you're going to take again money from that $5,000 that's left. You're going to purchase another account with maybe FTMO or maybe the funded trader, whatever prop firm you're going to choose. Purchase another $400,000 account with FTMO. Obviously, you can still get that because maximum is 400,000. With the funded trader, you can again get that because maximum is 500,000. So you can still get that money and still have you can still purchase the accounts and still have over $2,000 left, right? So after purchasing that, you'll be able to, you're going to start again the same process. You're going to pass phase 1 and phase 2. But this time, you're obviously going to be trading 1 million, because it will be 600,000 with my Forex funds, and then 400,000 with FTMO or the funded trader, whatever you want to pick. You're going to managing 1 mil. So that means in the first month, you're going to pass phase 1. So in the first month, you're going to pass phase 1 of $1 million. And then on the second month, you're going to pass phase 2 of the same $1 million again, right? Now, after you pass that, on the third month, you're going to get funded with $1 million. Imagine that. But mind you, you just don't have that 1 million that you have. You also have the $100,000. You also have the $10,000 that you've obviously been trading and living off, right? So that means in total, what you'll be managing by then at month 9 will be managing over 1,100,000 and 10,000. 110,000. Excuse my English. 110,000. So that means with that amount, if you just look to make 10%, that's over 1,100,000. That's over 110,000, right? Every month. So that means at payout, you're going to be making at least 80 something dollars, right? 80,000. I'm talking thousands. You're going to be making at least $80,000 at your payout. Because you're going to be making 75%, right? So that means you'll be making 5 figures, $80,000. If you keep on going, second month, third month, consistently making the payout, once your payout reaches to about 85%, your profit sharing, once it reaches 85%, like here, with your 110,000, with your 1 million, with your 1 million and 110,000, 85% will obviously be just on the verge of 100,000. So that's how you can actually convert $100 into making 6 figures every single month by using prop firms. If you have a good trading strategy that's in play, guys, this is very easy for you to pass. If you have a good winning strategy. If you still don't have one, again, you can check out my course that's linked in the description. But without further ado, guys, that's all I had to share with you guys today, right? That's how you can actually literally turn $100 into 6 figures, earning every single month. Thank you for being here until the end. If this video you found value, please give us a like, share, subscribe, and yeah, till next time, peace.